Yeah, screw that, guys. Let's do something else. Let's go at it a different way. Yeah, this is my idea instead. So I ripped off the siding. There was some masonry work that was in the way, but there's about 1.5 to 2 inches worth of old boards and stuff that I'll have to replace. But yeah, this is what it looks like. All right, so found a better spot to level, and as you can see, I'm leveling. Not much else to it, but here's what we got so far. About yay high. And this one is actually lifting up with it, so it must be attached there. But we used to be touching here on this side. Now we're up. Now we're up. It already feels more level on the inside. Okay, so what I've done is got all the kind of the gunk out of the way, and now what I'm going to do is run green treated this way along the entryway, and then this way along the front side of this gable end. And I'm gonna use this guy as like a hanger. So we'll tie that into the green treat. And then the other green treat running into the entryway there will support that side. So, and we'll have this corner kind of nice and strong. It looks a little different than the last time you guys saw it. I got in a roll and just kept going. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 new posts in there. I'm gonna add one more here. But all I did was work my way from that end and slowly jack it up. And as I was going, I added this rim joist as well. Yeah, so just worked my way from this side all the way to this side and jacked it up. I only had one jack, so it's all I could do. Okay, so I have all my joists in. I got about 6 or 7 of them in here, or my piers on concrete blocks. So we're set there. It's leveled inside. As you can see further down on the end there, I put in another rim joist on the very end, right here. So this guy runs all the way across to the other side. And that guy ties in over into a rim over there. Yeah, so then I added some blocking on the other side of that, and then added another board right where the entryway concrete steps are. And so it's resting on those concrete steps. So she's pretty stout right now. So now all I'm doing is putting in these furring strips right here, and I'm putting them all the way across for my green treated sheeting. She's all closed up. We got this front end done. I'm super excited about that, and we got some more leveling to do on the other sides, but pretty soon we're gonna be putting on the house wrap. Yeah, buddy. Well, we gotta tear off stuff first, I guess. So tear off the siding and then the house wrap. Alright, thank you for sticking around and watching. If you stuck around this whole video, that's awesome. Please give me a like and follow if you want. Otherwise, we'll see you on the next one.